I'm competing in the bigger, nastier FPV freestyle competition at Castle Crash 2026 because Clover FPV Systems is going to be a big part of Castle Crash this year. We're setting up an FPV RC race course on the backwoods flight line, so I need to practice up for that and this, and that's why we're here today. Let's get after it. I'm gonna warm up with the Guinea 3.5 inch, and then I'm gonna swap my 04 Pro over to my 5-inch quad and go big. Then we'll do some talk. Well, that happened quick, and I don't have any more props for the 3.5 inch, so we're already swapping over to 5.